Deleting your Gmail account is a process that requires careful consideration, as it will remove all your emails and potentially affect other services tied to the account. To start, sign in to your Google account and navigate to the Data and Privacy section in the settings. From there, look for an option that says Delete your Google account or something similar. Selecting this option will guide you through the steps to permanently delete the Gmail account. Before proceeding, Google will ask you to verify your identity by entering your password again. It will also provide warnings about the consequences of deletion, such as losing access to all Gmail messages, contacts, and other services associated with that account. If you are certain you want to continue, Google will offer you a chance to download your data, which can be a helpful step if you want to keep any emails or files tied to your Gmail. Once you confirm the deletion, your Gmail account will be deactivated. It's important to note that deleting your Gmail account doesn't necessarily mean that your Google account will be deleted entirely. You will still have access to other Google services, but you will no longer be able to use Gmail with that account.